I would like to welcome our dear also colleague, Director of Tajfun Brazil, Vice President of the Chamber of Commerce, Slovenia, Brazil, Slobras, Ms. TATJANA Močenik.
Hello, thank you, Matea. First of all, hello all the ladies around the globe. I'm very happy with this initiative of Slovenian Global Business Network. Congratulations, Dr. Šale and Matea, for organizing this. Let me start. I was born and raised in Slovenia, in Velenje. And then I was thinking now, like when I was deciding where to go to study, or Ljubljana or Maribor, I was thinking at that time, oh, these are such big cities. And nowadays that I live in Sao Paulo, this changes totally my perceptions of the world. I started my, let's say, international life in my early 20s, when I went to study abroad in Athens in Greece. Afterwards, I did some exchange practice in Mexico, in Mexico City. And then I started to work in Gorenje, in Velenje. I was working in Gorenje for 12 years. And I really had a great opportunity to know the world. I was responsible for all the sales which were outside of Europe. So I had clients all around the globe, from Australia to Iraq to Iran, Angola, United States, like just name it. And it was really a big professional and also personal experience to be able to travel and meet people around the world. And especially when I was doing this part, like I was a little bit not sure how will my clients from the Middle East accept me as a woman. But I had to say that I really had just positive experience all around the globe. So happy to be a woman. As Christy say, we have to connect, we have to help each other, so we can all grow wherever we are. So I came to Sao Paulo exactly 9 years ago as an expat of Gorenje. And I started a subsidiary here on Gorenje branch in Brazil, where I was director of the company for 5 years. And afterwards, I started to work for another Slovenian company. It's called Tajfun, from Planina pri Sevnici. We are producing equipment for the recycling and forestry. So I represent this company in Brazilian market. I will show you a little bit of the company on my slides in just a few seconds. As Matea said, I'm also a vice president of the Chamber of Commerce, Slovenia, Brasilia. We are very active to help Slovenian companies to come to Brazilian market. We are very active to connect Slovenians and Brazilians through webinars, and we are really organizing a lot of things here. For sure, one of the most important projects last year was our we call it Slovenska božična košarica, or Slovenian Christmas box, where we united like products from Slovenia and also products from Slovenes living here in Brazil. So we help to boost a little bit sales of these products. And the most important project that we are just launching now, it's an online map where we are launching first in Brazil, where we are promoting all the Slovenian products and services, all the Slovenian companies and also companies of the Slovenians lives here in Brazil. So we can have everybody on one spot. If I want to buy, for example, a wine, Slovenian wine here, I can just check on the map where this is available. I can get very easy in the contact with the producer. And this is one of the projects also of the Slovenian Global Business Network to promote this map also for other countries, because I think we have a great possibility to connect and promote our businesses. I will show you a little bit about my the company that I'm working at the moment. Wait, just a second.
Yes.
Do you see? Ah, okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay, so I've been working for the company Tajfun for 2 years now. Okay, the company has almost 50 years of the company and proper fabrication of the recycling and forestry equipment. We are present in 50 countries around the world. And I will just show you a little bit about our products. We are producing winches for the forestry, processor for the wood, cables to push the trees out of the forest. Some cranes, which are timber cranes for tractor, and timber cranes for the bigger ones, and also for the recycling, the cranes especially for the steel. This is just the fast presentation, just that you know the company. I will leave my contacts here in the chat, and I'm really looking forward to connect with all of you. Thank you very much, and congratulations one more time.
Thank you, Tatiana, for this inspiring story and so many experience you had all over the world, living abroad, and help you give to promote and help Slovenian companies in Brazil. Thank you.